Funding for Iowa Public Television's educational programs and services has been provided by the Maytag Corporation Foundation of Newton, proud to support this resource for Iowa's future.
You're watching Iowa Public Television, a resource for Iowa's future.
Funding for Sesame Street was provided by Friends of Iowa Public Television and by the Iowa Bankers Association. When it comes to investing in Iowa schools, Iowa banks have made the smart choice, Iowa's future.
Sesame Street is brought to you by the following.
Looking for something fun and educational? We help families discover the fascinating possibilities of the internet. LookSmart.com. Proud to sponsor Sesame Street.
Pfizer, presenting the ABCs of antibiotics. Antibiotics can be effective medicine, but only when used correctly. If you're a parent, more information about the proper use of antibiotics is just a click away.
ToySmart.com.
Also funded by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.